Hello, Sat Shri Akal, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ms. Amadip Kaur. So today let's do subject maths of 5th class. Today's topic is area. Area of 2D shapes is defined as the space or region covered by them. So it is given by multiplication of two measurements, right? Whether these are length, breadth or any two sides. Let's start exercise 8.2. So here first part, find the area of following rectangles whose length and breadth are as follows. So here you can see this is called rectangle. Rectangle is the quadrilateral or polygon of four sides whose opposite sides are equal and all the angles are equal, which are 90 degrees. So here we are given length and breadth 9 meter and 7 meter respectively. So area of rectangle is given by length multiplied by breadth. Length into breadth. So here 9 meter into 7 meter gives us 63 meter squares. Answer. Similarly, B part, here length and breadth are respectively 85 centimeter and 76 centimeter. On multiplying, we get the answer 6460. Similarly, C part, we have 23 millimeter and 18 millimeter length and breadth. Now let's multiply, we get 414 meter square area. D part, 5 meter and 85 centimeter. Now let's convert 85 centimeter into meters by putting the decimal leaving two digits. So here 5 meter multiplied by 0.85 meter, which gives us 4.25 meter square. Answer. E part, 840 centimeter and 7 meters. Similarly here we will convert centimeters into meters by putting the decimal leaving two digits. So here decimal 40 meter multiplied by 7 meter gives us 58.8 meter square. Now second part, find the area of square whose side is. Now let me tell you, square is a polygon, is a quadrilateral of four equal sides and four equal angles. Now here part 25 centimeter, which is side of square, means all sides are 25 centimeter. Now area of square is given by side multiplied by side, means side square. Now let's apply the formula. So here 25 centimeter multiplied by 25 centimeter gives us 625 centimeter square. Similarly, B part, we have side 48 centimeter. So now 48 centimeter multiplied by 48 centimeter gives us 2304 centimeter square area. C part 27 millimeter, which is side of square. So here let's find area. 27 millimeter multiplied by 27 millimeter, which gives us 729 millimeter square. Answer. D part, 87 meter multiplied by 87 meter. On multiplying, we get 7569 meter square. Now let's do word problems. Here length of rectangular park is equal to 62 meter and breadth is 38 meter. So here let's find area. L multiplied by B, which is 62 meter multiplied by 38 meter, which gives us 2356 meter square. Answer. Fourth, side of carom board means square shape, which is equal to 60 centimeter. So area is 60 centimeter multiplied by 60 centimeter, which gives us 3600 centimeter square. Answer. Now next, fifth, length of rectangular field is equal to 100 meter and breadth is 45 meter. So here area is equal to 100 meter multiplied by 45 meter, which gives us 4500 meter square area. Now cost of leveling of 1 meter square, which is given rupees 8. Now cost of 4500 meter square area is equal to 8 multiplied by 4500, which gives us rupees 36,000. Answer. Now sixth, length of carpet is equal to 8 meter and breadth of carpet is equal to 5 meter. So here area of carpet is equal to 8 meter multiplied by 5 meter, which gives us 40 meter square area. Now area of auditorium, which is equal to area of 125 carpets. So this is equal to 125 multiplied by 40 meter square, which gives us 5000 meter square area. Seventh, so here let's take Gurpreet's home, whose length of veranda is equal to 52 meter and breadth is equal to 32 meters. So here area is equal to 52 meter multiplied by 32 meter, which gives us 1664 meter square. Now Pankaj's home, whose side of veranda is equal to 41 meter. Area is equal to 41 meter multiplied by 41 meter, which gives us 1681 meter square. Now area of veranda of Pankaj's home is greater than the area of veranda of Gurpreet's home. Now 8th, length of roof is equal to 8 meter and breadth is equal to 6 meter. So here area is equal to 8 meter multiplied by 6 meter, which gives us 48 meter square. Now length of tile is equal to 30 centimeter, which is equal to 0.30 meter, and breadth of tile is equal to 20 centimeter, which is equal to 0.20 meter. Now area of tile is equal to 0.30 meter multiplied by 0.20 meter, which gives us 0.0600 meter square. Now number of tiles is equal to area of roof by area of tile, which is equal to 48 meter square by 0.0600 meter square, which gives us number of tiles is equal to 800. Fill in the blanks. Here A part, area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. B, area of square is equal to side into side. C, 1 square meter is equal to 10,000 square centimeter. D part, the space covered by a closed figure is called area. Next we have a table here. A part, we have length 8 meter, breadth 7 meter. On multiplying we get 56 meter square area. B part, we have length 5 centimeter, breadth is not given, area is 10 square centimeter. On dividing we get 2 centimeter breadth. C part, here we have breadth 4 millimeter and area 24 square millimeter. On dividing we get 6 millimeter length. D part, we have length 35 centimeter, breadth 20 meter. On converting length into meter we get 0.35 meter. On multiplying we get the answer 7 meter square area. To MCQs of this lesson, which type of figure is notebook space? So option B, rectangle. Second, what is the perimeter of square if its side is 6 cm? So option C, 24 cm. Third, the four sides of square are, so option B, equal. Fourth, length and breadth are given 6 meter and 4 meter respectively. So here perimeter is option C, 20 meter. Rectangular parts, length is 65 and breadth is 35 meter. So here to find distance covered in 4 rounds, so option C, 400 meter. Sixth, what will be the area of square whose side is 13 centimeter? So option A, 169 centimeter. Seventh, a chart is 125 centimeter long and 8 centimeter wide. So its area is option B, 1000 square centimeter. Eighth, if length and breadth of rectangle is equal, then it is called, so option C, square. Ninth, side into side is the area of square, option A. Next, area of rectangle is 96 square centimeter. If its length is 12 centimeter, then its breadth is, so here on dividing we get option A, 8 centimeter. So we have done this lesson. Thank you so much for watching.